Not just crazy doesn't air the view of any political party or individuals. This show is just for comedy purposes only. In fact, that's what we do.
These comedians are absolutely insane. I mean, crazy.
You will take the siege relief of the government as the president, as just
Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Ninja's Craziest. My name is Laugh Mayor. Before I say anything, click the subscribe button. Just click and no hard. On this episode, we're going to be talking about Indian hemp, or as the botanical name states, Cannabis sativa. Now, we have different species of Indian hemp grown in different regions of the world, but only one species has earned the right to be called Igbo, and that one is grown in Nigeria, in Delta State, known as Cannabis sativa oqualus, or Okwale Igbo. Now, Okwale Igbo is not your ordinary Igbo. You see boys in America saying we smoke weed, we smoke weed, we smoke weed, we smoke weed. I assure you, you have not smoked weed. This guy don't smoke Okwale Igbo. He was asked a simple question. A very simple question. He became misfire.
You are the president now.
You are the president of Nigeria. What do you do for Nigeria?
As the president, you be now.
as the president.
Because like you are, you go win Buhari, the whole of NS Junction, the Sefulu, the every area boys they must vote for you because you're not area guy too. You don't understand.
Listen.
You don't which guy you
Nah, you be president. President.
But you be president.
So what will you do for our country? What will you do
for Nigeria?
That you will say segregation, but I believe that's the right of the tradition. Britain is 1980 edition, which we does because of that. We commit this issue in Nigeria.
That's what you want to do for Nigeria?
In Delta State. You know, you don't know where you're going to plasma in Asaba. They will tweet of administration to stop admit to restore your inability to ability. Once you will tell the government that you win the start the tribunal, they will put inside the cell, start flogging you with cocoa full water cake. Truth.
That's what you want to do.
Yes.
That's what you want for the country.
And they go whip us. But you don't win again.
You don't win. You can't win, man.
You can't win. You can't even be a shame.
You can't win. So you want to win for us.
IVP. If you vote for IVP. IVP.
Okay, IVP, not VIP.
IVP.
So what's our response?
IVP, the new intervention of the new of the leadership of the leader, the complete association of the leader party. IVP, power to the VP, FFV of IVP. Truth. I'm not raking.
Yes, no, you can't be raking. Real matter. Real matter.
The thing with Okwale Igbo is, when you drag it the first time, you become smart. It opens your eyes like the forbidden fruit opened Eve's eyes. You become smart. You know things like this guy.
Alright, viewers, welcome to Clover Box. And you know how we do. We go to the same streets. I mean, different streets. You know, we ask the same question, different question, and you know, we get people's views and know what they think about the society, entertainment, and what have you. Yes, and we're in the streets of Abuja. Yes, Abuja City. Yeah.
Good afternoon, though.
Good afternoon.
Not be Abuja you did so. Nere Junction you did for worry now you did so. You not there for Abuja. You lost.
Okay. Viewers, don't keep rolling. No, this is we call ourselves Clover Box, and we go into the streets asking questions about politics, education, what have you. Okay, and I hope you don't mind. I would like to ask you a few questions.
No, I don't mind. The only thing be say I know Sabi speak English. Nah, pidgin. That I don't know whether our viewers will allow me speak pidgin.
No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because it's just I'll just ask you. You can use pidgin language. Our viewers are very understanding. Okay.
I understand.
So what's your name, please?
My name is Honorode.
Yes. Honorode. I would like to ask you a question. What do you think about Buhari's administration?
You go mind me I smoke, me I light this thing.
Yes, so just go on, go on.
I buy am for Skibo place for, like say if you dey bend for that Nere junction for that side, na there where I buy the Igbo. I say in dey bring am from Kwale.
Okay, go on. Alright,
So-
Cloverbox doesn't mind this, okay? We're keeping it real, alright? You know how we do it. Okay, okay. Now I just want to ask you, what do you think about Buhari's administration? Buhari's administration, what do you think? Hello, Mr. Honorable Day.
You see? See, I am flabbergasted and overwhelmed. That 30 years of the Northerners holding power. 30 years to transform the modus vivendi of the ragtag and the bombtail in the northern political, social and economic bathysphere. What have they done with the power? So when these people wanted to come back and say they wanted to seize power from Jonathan, we in the South Side, we didn't agree. We did not agree with them. It's not possible. The Northerners have fabricated this Boko Haram FAPA to make Nigeria wallow in a state of cankerous nepotism. To make Nigeria wallow in a state of Minnesota statism. In a state of cankerous tribalism. Ethnocentric chauvinism, maniacal povertyism, catalytic paranoidism, epileptic nepotism. When you drag it the second time, then the effects don't they come. You don't they feel the effect of the Igbo. You go come door back. When you door back, you go begin the misfire. And you see, if Nigeria does not...
Okay. What you're saying now is that the Northerners have not.
See, the thing why they talk, we say, you know when Tompolo, you remember when Tompolo come in Nere Junction? You did Nere Junction that day?
No, sorry.
You not there when Tompolo come in Nere Junction.
Calm down.
When Tompolo come, like Tompolo just dey throw away. Our bros, Tompolo, he just dey throw away. I seen they throw away. All the men they throw away. People just they run, they run. With the one that say one that they go. Now our bros Tompolo, in bullets not go kill the people. You understand? We get Esagbas, we dey like this so. Esagba dey.
Please calm down. My question is now, what do you feel, or what's your own take on Buhari's administration? His administration, Buhari, the current president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. What's your own take?
Now Obiama, the head of state of the whole the Kulukulu of them or the head of state of VIP.
Sorry, you mean the APC?
If of the Kolokolo when Obasanjo now meet Yaradua of AVP of PDP APC na IVP Nigeria. If you can't get mind to drag on the third time, my brother, from there your brain don't knock. You go misbehave irrationally.
Okay. Now, as you have seen, what do you think? What if you are the president of this country, of Nigeria? What do you think you will be able to tell people that you'll be able to do? Yes, this is Batter Box. Sorry, Clover Box. I swear to God, we are not in Abuja. We are in Warri. This Ukwala Igbo don't open my eye. You shall not lie again when you smoke this.
He's like Leboa. Leboa is coming for the veterinary show of Delta State to the vision in the house of Leboa. You understand? Because we are getting all this of the party of ENM and or PDP. You know, we are in the TV nation of the party of PDP, when Nigeria the state nation of PDP. Oh, we have to go and have AC party.
That is APC.
Yes,
Party,
APC. That is the future of the
That's to say like this now you get
of the
your
CPF. Then you will know that we, the people of Delta State, or the people of people of Delta State. You understand?
I don't understand at all. I don't understand, guy. I don't understand. Why I go understand you as you be like this? It's not possible to understand you. Even I never understand myself finish now you. Now this kind thing one guy do for relay. A climb 3-story building. They smoke. They look down. If they smoke, if they look down. From that place, now they shout, see water, see water, see water. Now my guy remove from 3-story building, they come down. You know that kind of thing. Now spirit. The spirit go can't leave you for air. Only you they come down. But you own, you are still with your spirit. Thank God for your life.
You will relating the fashion of this. Say we use the of the president of the distance of the INEC of of the business of the women of that world, people of the PTP of the IPP or of the IPP. You will take the siege little of the government as the president, as just a relation of what of the road, he's saying about the president of the state. You know what what is doing to Obasanjo as the president of the head of state, of the president of all the head of state. He said, how they call it a Biama. Don't know Biama?
I don't know Biama. Who is Biama? Who is Biama now?
Are you running away from the press?
You see, viewers, I just want to tell you that this guy is Mr. Of the IVIP. If you watch this guy, you know that you know the like the head of state of the president, other head of state, head of that this guy, that we are the all Nigerian Progressive Congress, the IVP.
All Nigeria People's Congress.
Now, thank you for watching this episode of Nigeria's Craziest. We are going to advise, if you are going to smoke Igbo, do anything worth doing is worth doing well. Come to Okwale and smoke Okwale Igbo. Like one of our very popular figure where they jump from AC to PDP to PDP to AC. He smoked Okwale Igbo one time and he went mad. There's this time I heard that Jemai too smoked Okwale Igbo, and you know the rest. Hang Sanuku, should I name them? Hang Sanuku, NS Ezuzu. There are plenty. They have smoked Okwale Igbo and their brain is no longer normal. Look, Tonto Dike, sometimes if she smokes it like that, she begins to sing song that doesn't conform with real life. But I thank God now that the band has finally decided to take away the Okwale Igbo from her. So that's why she sang that song. Pokole, we love you. Who? There are plenty for Nollywood industry. Okwale Igbo is the Igbo for you. You smoke and you will feel alright. Thank you. Once again, my name is Laugh Mayo. Please don't forget to subscribe. Nigeria's Craziest. Follow us on Twitter at Nigeria's Craziest. Follow us on Instagram, Nigeria's Craziest. Watch us on iReporters TV. For all those people who they thought say data hard for Nigeria, you can go to iReporters TV and watch us there. You can watch us on OG TV. You can watch us on Super Screen. And basically, yes, Facebook, I don't forget. And comment, like, even if not hate comments, we know some people, they just don't wait. They don't even watch our videos, they just thumb down. It's okay. Thumb down or thumb up. Thank you. I love you guys.